Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we've got two packages. One of them is the jelly bean spinning Easter bunny, and the other one is a little surprise, which I'm not even sure what it is yet. You can see my cat. Okay, yeah, she's gonna be part of the video. Yeah, buddy, you want to be part of the video, huh? You're gonna be famous. So anyway, I think this is the Easter bunny. I think this might be it. I'm not sure. But anyway, let's go ahead and crack it open. I think it's all paper, so I think I'm just gonna see if I can cut it open like this. Oh yeah, there's another box inside of it. Alright. Now, I was waiting patiently for this thing because, it was supposed to arrive Saturday, but I think it got delayed because, you know, it was delivered from USPS and they probably didn't realize it was still out of state. So it came today. And I'm pretty excited. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Yeah, that's my cat again. Making those noises. It didn't even cut, bruh. Alright, got it. I just want to be careful on how deep I cut, because you never know how it's packaged, how good it's packaged. There it is. I see it. I see it in there. That's definitely it. Yep, there it is. Very neat packaging. There's Peter Cottontail. He's actually a little bit bigger than I expected him to be. Okay. So here it is. There's the arm is posable. Here are the jelly beans. This is the 2020 model. Still got the original tag on it. Nice. See, they said it didn't come with batteries, but I just want to... Yep, it doesn't have batteries. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some batteries. Okay, so I have put batteries in them. And the battery compartment, the way it looks, it's very interesting. It's two separate ones, but it runs on the same power. But anyway, I'm pretty sure these batteries are good. Here's the first test. Here we go. Well, that's odd. I think I have to kind of push on it. Let's see, is there a switch? Oh no, I'm pretty sure the batteries are in, right? Huh. It's not working. Oh, let me see something here. Button feels fine. Okay. Yeah, something's not right here. Let me see. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll have to go get different batteries. Okay, I tried putting what's hopefully fresher batteries in them. Let's see. Nothing. Okay, unfortunately, I don't think it works. I'm gonna have to message the seller. And it sucks because This is my first modern spinner. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter is on its way. Maybe if I try just like... Oh, wait, there it goes.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny
Alright, there we go.
Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way.
I don't know what happened. It's working now.
Every girl and boy, a basketball of Easter joy, sings to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy, and an Easter bonnet too. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, happy Easter day! Yeah!
Gee, I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden it's working now. Maybe one of the batteries weren't in all the way. I don't know what happened. Anyway, let's try playing him again.
Here comes
Oh my
Peter
God.
Cottontail, hopping down
That's so
the bunny
crazy.
trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. Bringing every girl and boy a basketball of Easter joy, sings to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy, and an Easter bonnet too. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, happy Easter day! Yeah!
Well, there's Peter Cottontail, or Jelly Bean Spinning Easter Bunny, whatever you want to call him. Maybe these batteries that I originally put in were good, just... Yeah, I don't know what happened. But... just wasn't turning on earlier, but now all of a sudden it's working. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure what happened, but it's working now, and I'm happy. Works pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and unbox the other package. This is the mystery one. Could be anything. Oh, the blade wasn't. Yeah, sorry for all the cars. There we go. I think we got it. Well, I'm probably gonna have to tear this open. Let's see here. Yep, there we go. Alright. Alright, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. What could it be? What do we have here? It's another Travis Trout. Now, apparently he doesn't work. He doesn't move at all. Probably a split gear. Possibly a broken whistle piece in the head. Only trouble is I don't have any whistle pieces at the moment. I might have to buy some. At the mouth has a split gear in it. That's alright. I'll replace that. Doesn't have batteries. Screw on the back. Yeah, he doesn't turn on or doesn't have batteries. But yeah, there's the Travis Trout. Now I already have one, but this one I saw it was a very good deal. And oh look at that. It's the cloth version. That's quite an uncommon variant. But yeah, there's the other Travis Trout, and the main part of the video, the Jelly Bean Spinning Easter Bunny, Peter Cottontail. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.